Congratulations! You've made it to the practical observation upload portion of the class. You should have already received your instructions. What we'd like you to do next is take a video of yourself executing the instructions provided to you in that document. Please do not submit the video in selfie style. We advise you to have someone take the video for you while you execute the operations. You will have 10 days to submit these videos. It's best to complete this while the information is fresh. At the beginning of each video, state your name and, if required, your ID number. Please make sure you speak clearly. The video does not have to be fancy, just complete. You also do not have to complete the video in one take. Please name your video file. If you need to submit the video in multiple portions, please keep your files in the order of the questions. You will send them to your class representative or manager, and they will upload them to our system. In the practical observation portion, we'd like you to perform the following. Step 1. Walk through the data nameplate, sometimes referred to as the capacity plate. Identify 3 things about the information on the plate. Step 2. Identify 3 safety features on your lift truck. Step 3. Identify 1 warning device. Step 4. Demonstrate the 3 things you would do during a pre-operational safety check. Step 5. Identify the brakes, emergency brake, and if equipped, emergency stop. Step 6. While stopped, demonstrate functions as they relate to your lift truck. 1. Forward and reverse. 2. Lift, lower, or tilt if equipped. 3. Side shift if equipped. Reach function if equipped. Auxiliary hydraulics if equipped. Accelerator pedal if equipped. And control arm if equipped. Demonstrate charging the battery, refueling, or changing the LPG tank. If you have an electric truck, demonstrate checking the battery water level. In both instances, for steps 7 and 8, make sure you are wearing proper protective gear. Please answer the question. In step 9, what do you do when passing a pedestrian, blind spot, intersection, or traveling in reverse? Step 10, execute loading and unloading. We want you to just perform a natural task as you would do in your everyday work. For example, loading and unloading a skid into a rack, double stacking a skid, loading and unloading into a container or back of a truck or platform. Pick up a product and move from one place to another. Or in the case of order pickers, pick a product. Thank you and good luck.